Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to read about Siromaram Abhighat, that is cerebral palsy in children. Cerebral palsy is defined as a non-progressive neuromotor disorder of cerebellar origin. Around 2 or 3 children for every 1000 baby born develop cerebral palsy. In Ayurveda, there is no condition which exactly shows similarity with cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy in Ayurveda can be considered as Siromaram Abhighat Balvat Vyadhi. Causes of cerebral palsy: brain damage of child during gestational period, maternal infection, prolonged labor, birth asphyxia, placental problem. In Ayurveda, some nidan of Siromaram Abhighat Balvat Vyadhi can be दोहृद अवमानना, इनकम्पिटिबल गर्भ वृद्धिकर भावा, improper गर्भिणी परिचर्या, presence of गर्भ उपघातकर भावास. Divide the causes of cerebral palsy into 3 categories: before birth, after birth, and during birth. Before birth, there are 75% suspected causes of cerebral palsy. After birth, there is only 10 to 18% suspected causes of cerebral palsy, and during birth there is only little, that is 6 to 8% suspected causes of cerebral palsy. Types of cerebral palsy. Cerebral palsy is classified into 4 types: spastic cerebral palsy, ataxic cerebral palsy, dyskinetic cerebral palsy, and fourth one is mixed cerebral palsy. Spastic cerebral palsy account for major portion of cerebral palsy with incidence between 70 to 80%. If there is a damage in motor cortex, it causes spastic cerebral palsy. In temporal lobe, it causes ataxic cerebral palsy, and in cerebellum, it causes dyskinetic cerebral palsy. The incidence of cerebral palsy, spastic cerebral palsy is 70 to 80%, ataxic and dyskinetic cerebral palsy is 6%. Symptoms of cerebral palsy: failure to reach normal milestone for sitting up, crawling and walking, abnormal movements, stiff spastic muscles, difficult controlling and coordinating muscle movements, speech problem, seizures, gastrointestinal problems, urinary problem, cognitive and behavioral problems. These are some of symptoms of cerebral palsy. Symptoms of cerebral palsy vary from patient to patient, as damage of brain part vary from patient to patient. Diagnosis of cerebral palsy. There is not a single exam or test that can confirm cerebral palsy. However, some tests useful for diagnosis of cerebral palsy are cranial ultrasound, CT scan brain, MRI of infant brain and spine, speech and language testing, hearing testing, vision testing, and neurological evaluation. Treatment for cerebral palsy are, depending on how severe the symptom are, one or several different type of treatment are given to child. Medication. Certain medication can relax stiff or overactive muscle and reduce abnormal movements. Occupational therapy, speech and language therapy, orthodontic devices and surgery. These are some type of treatment given to cerebral palsy child. In Ayurveda, there is a huge Panchkarma procedure present for treating cerebral palsy, and there is a large number of medicines available for treating cerebral palsy. Internal medication are given depending upon presenting symptom and sign of children suffering from disease. Udvartan. This is a simple Panchkarma procedure. Udvartan help in reduction of vitiated cough by its drying inducing and block removing properties. Udvartan open the minute channel and improve blood as well as lymphatic circulation. So these are some benefits of Udvartan in cerebral palsy. Abhyanga. Abhyang provide nourishment due to its snigdha, mridu and pitchil qualities. Vayu present in sparsan indriya skin and massage is said to be, that is abhyang is said to be twachya, good for the skin. Abhyang directly work on vata to bring it back to normalcy. Abhyang improve blood supply to muscles, relieves muscle fatigue and reduce stiffness. So by this way Abhyang is helpful in reducing the symptoms of cerebral palsy. Sweden is Stambagna, Santhi Chestkar, Sroto Suddhikar and Kafvat Nirodhak. Thus by its action Sroto Sang Vigatan, removal of obstruction in channel may take place and stiffness of joint relieved, sedation cause excretion of waste metabolites through diaphoresis. Means Sweden causes excretion of waste metabolites through diaphoresis. Sasti Salik Pind Swed. It is very useful in cerebral palsy. There are some procedures to prepare Sasti Salik Pind Swed. This help in increasing blood flow locally, relieve muscle spasm, increase tendon extensibility and provide pain relief. It is very useful in cerebral palsy. NAS is very useful in cerebral palsy. NAS has a definite role in treatment of cerebral palsy because it is said to be beneficial in various Siro Roga. According to Acharya Charak, Pratimars Nasya may have beneficial effect. In patient of cerebral palsy, it provides strength to Sira and Sirogata Indriya. Basti is Ardha Chikitsa of Vata and the most important Panchkarma in cerebral palsy. Basti by its action on the Mool Sthan gets control on Vata all over body. Rectum has a rich blood and lymph supply and drug can cross the rectal mucosa like other lipid membrane and by entering general circulation, Basti act on whole body. Basti may block neuromuscular transmission by binding to receptor site on motor or sympathetic nerve terminals, entering the nerve terminal and may inhibit the release of acetylcholine. Basti improve the fine motor function, general motor function like crawling, sitting, standing, walking and collapsing hand in cerebral palsy patient. When compared with internal medication, Basti has improved fine and gross motor function in cerebral palsy cases. Basti found beneficial in spastic diaplegia. Some of Ayurvedic drugs helpful in cerebral palsy are fast acting on cognitive function. Vacha, Vidara, Sankhpuspi, Satavari, Manduk, Parni, Brahmi, Guruchi. These are some drugs helpful in increasing cognitive function. If some drugs acting on cerebral ischemic injury and neuroinflammatory condition and increase healing. These are Bakuchi, Vidara, Guruchi. Brahmi act as a muscle relaxant. Vacha, Vidara, Sankhpuspi act as a anticonvulsant. Protective effect of some Ayurvedic drugs are Vacha, Bakuchi, Vidara, Sankhpuspi, Satavari and Mandukpan. These all are neuroprotective effect producing herbs. Some Ayurvedic medication useful in cerebral palsy are internal medication can be used as Abhyagrita, Samardhan Grita, Bal Vilva Grita, Sisu Kalyanak Grita, Chaturbhadra Kalpa Basti, Rajyapan Basti can be given to cerebral palsy patient. Sasti Salik Pind Sweda can be given. Dhanvantar Telam Siropichu also can be given. Some tel useful in Abhyanga is Chir Bala Tel, Sahachara Tel, Bala Tel and many other tel can be useful in treating cerebral palsy. Hope you understand this. For watching this.